Simmer, who got the key? Welcome, friends, to this. I don't know what it's called yet. Give me some suggestions. This is the thing in nightmares. The door just completely... like having a door open while moving. I blame Corey. Maybe zip ties holding your door? Not the best idea. When I find the Lego aisle, they have this. Yeah, please. Could someone find one for me? How much are they? Oh my God. What? What? No, I need to go on Amazon. The real CEO of Citron posted retweeted this. What the heck? I have never seen something that makes me feel this way. My innards are feeling fizzy. Good is how the tweet translates. What the hell is it? That is a Mitsubishi Evo front bumper on a hatch. It's like the Stagia and how you swap the Skyline front bumper to the incredible. And so he said, what is this? It's a Mitsubishi Mirage. Right, this series is going to cost me a lot of money. You know, I don't think I've seen anything less inspiring in my whole entire life. How do you even think? Yes, I'm going to make that a very cool car. Congratulations, you did. So this video was sent to me by one of the mods. And I just want to say, YouTube, listen, before you demonetize me, this is stupid. Do not do this at home. Let's put a warning thing up. This just, it's not impressive. I really don't know. Like, wow. You did a car thing. Okay. Now, the reason I'm showing this is this surprised me quite a lot. So to do this is really dumb. It's unsafe. You know, what if people were turning? What if people were pulled out? You're putting yourself in danger, putting other people in danger. It's just a dumb thing to do. You've not impressed anyone. I mean, you're an idiot. Anyway, ignoring the fact that the man's name, Michael Shoeblacker. How are you gonna ruin Michael's name like that? What the frick? No. The surprising thing, this is a grown man.
Man's looking like Poe, boy.
This is a grown man. This is a grown man acting like an absolute 17-year-old. 17-year-olds can drive, right? Oh yeah. Whoa. Man's drifting BMW X5.
Shoeblacker Expeditions. Yeah, Safari Prep. Big up exclusive competitions, providing us with the wagon.
Hold on. It's not even the man's car. Okay, fine. You know what? that's a little bit better. Girls with 6+ body count be like, I've been through a lot. Nah, a lot's been through you. You're going through something, mate. Do you need a hug? Over to the Reddit. Crazy lady purposely hitting cars. So she's mad about something. I don't know what she's mad about, but clearly the bumper's already gone. She's already been on some crazy... She's going around hitting multiple cars. Now, the thing I don't understand about this, why is she hitting the customers' cars? Did all of the customers stand up to her? This is not just employee parking. Surely employee parking is like further back or mixed in. What have these people's cars or people done for you to do this to them? Man, get away from the car. What are you doing? What are you doing? She's crazy. Get the hell out the way. Yes, what do we do as this crazy lady is driving around, leaking fluid, smashing into cars? Yet let's walk towards her. That is not the smartest thing to do. It's not even the stupidest thing I thought people would think to do. What is wrong with you? What could they potentially have done? Her bumper's over there, so she's already had a big run through, unless it was scraping another car. The work truck lady! Granted, hitting the work truck, I guess, would make a bit more sense if she's mad at the company. Oh. I was more scared about the Audi than the person. I'm sorry. No! Oh, she did it gently, so she can't... Maybe she likes Audis. I need to do another one. Yeah. Okay, that's what I was thinking. Open the door, drag that crazy person out of that car. She needs to go. Okay, now let go. All fine. And she's off. Okay. Move that van! What could potentially have happened to cause this situation? Oh, hang on, there's a news article. Here we go. This is
It started like this.
the worst quality video I think I've ever seen.
You're going all crazy. She hit in every car.
And didn't stop for several minutes.
Am I gonna get claimed for showing this? I don't know.
She was doing reverse, forward, you know? So she kind of knew what she was doing.
She definitely knew what she was doing.
And then she would see someone, and then she would just hit it, go straight towards them.
Orange County Sheriff.
My left ear was enjoying that, and then all of a sudden both. Whoa! Look at the
Identify the driver.
That woman is crazy. No. That woman needs help. I don't know if I could. What?
After speeding off, officials say she was stopped on the 5 freeway.
Oh, I thought she'd done all that. They stopped her.
Martin is in
Go
jail accused of driving under the influence of drugs.
She was on drugs. Right. Okay. Yep. Yep. Now, this one is a little closer to home. This man is, for some reason, jumping all over this man's McLaren. Now, this has gone mega viral in the UK. I say mega viral. The video's got 4,000 likes. I swear this was like mega viral. I guess likes are not views. Yeah, understood. By the way, if you do want to see more like this, please do like. And also, you can submit clips to Reddit and Discord. I'll link both those down in the description. But we've been given absolutely no context other than the man got arrested, obviously. So that kind of makes me think that it was not staged. I thought, you know, when you see things like that, you're like, staged? It's probably staged. Now, what's interesting, this man actually is one of, if not the owner of GVE, I think it is, which is like a dealership. You've probably seen it. Yeah, I'm sure if you're in the UK, you've seen this dealership. Anyway, something on the post that I thought was kind of funny. None of this is funny. It's not funny at all. Unfortunately, the police actually came quick enough to make sure I couldn't get my own way with this vile piece of scum. I must be like big man. Yeah.
What do you think of this? A very, very happy client who bought this G63 463 edition from G.
Why has he got AirPods? You're doing a promo video. Take your AirPods out, for f***'s sake! Another video from another angle. So this happened supposedly in London. Now I have an argument. Okay, this may cause some stir. It happened in Uxbridge. This will make sense in a minute. But Uxbridge, is it really London? Okay. Because some of this is actually Surrey. It's definitely not Surrey. I'm not saying that. But you thought I was going to be like, this man, you thought I was going to start beef, right? And I saw a bunch of people be like, oh, London is why I moved out of London. London's so bad. Is it really London? Because you could say that's more Slough. And as we know, Slough is kind of a no-go zone, especially showing off in your flashy McLaren. Oh no, I'm not justifying it, but London? We keep it fair here, ladies and gentlemen. We keep it fair. We show stupid Americans and stupid British, but stupid, I can't even say English. Listen, it's our language. I can say it how I want to say it. Now, I don't want to just be all doom and gloom. This, I thought, was absolutely sick. I don't even really watch, or I've never really watched Dragon Ball Z of any. I don't know. However, I know that's cool as shit. And if I don't see more of that, I'm gonna be severely disappointed because that is incredible. Ooh.
Just when you thought 2020 is almost over.
And then Christmas comes early.
Oh. Okay, what happened? What did you do, sir? Like, did he deserve it? But at the same time, that's like, what, 20 quid to replace the window screen? I mean, see, this is why I need you guys to give me some context. Because what could this Ferrari possibly have done to be deserved to be crushed like this? This is unacceptable. I love Ferraris. And more Ferrari business. Did you actually hit that, or did you get away with it? He's looking out the window. I don't think it's fine. I don't think it's fine at all. Right, well, we can't show that because that's demonetization. Now, this is a weird one because I just want to shout out a really cool video that, honestly, you need to check out. This is from a guy called Rich Rebuilds, who's possibly one of my favorite all-time content creators. They bought a Taycan that was broken and decided, I say Taycan, the Audi, and decided to put it in rice because it was flooded. I'm not going to spoil it. However, go and check it out. Rich Rebuilds. That's the end of the episode today. If you enjoy, make sure you check out this car video here. Smash like if you want to see more. Subscribe if you're new. And hopefully this doesn't get demonetized. Peace.